Welcome back here with Money, and this is the Mutual Fund Special. We're answering all your questions and queries relating with mutual funds. We've got Kuldeep Vashishtha joining in on the line from Delhi. Let's find out what his query is. Hi Kuldeep, welcome to the show. How can we help you?
I have basically two mutual funds. Basically, I'm investing through SIP, and I'm investing 10,000 in two MF.
Okay.
One is Birla Sun Life Frontline Equity Dividend.
Okay.
And the second is Franklin Growth. I'll be holding it minimum for 3 years, and I'll go for a longer time also. Basically, I am not in a hurry to take out the money.
Okay,
so it can go up to the 10 years also.
Okay, that's good to hear. You're willing to be patient. So let's get Srikanth to answer those questions. Birla Sun Life, we've already discussed. That's a large cap fund that you like. The other one that he has is Franklin India High Growth Companies. How do you rate this fund?
It's a pretty good fund. I don't have a problem with the fund selection on either one of this. But one thing is he's investing in dividend option for both these funds. If he's investing for the long term, he wants his money to grow, and I don't know, Kuldeep, why you want to take your money out or your profits out in the interim. So, I would suggest you move to the growth option on both these funds and let your wealth really accumulate over the period of time that you are staying invested. And one other thing is, you are investing 10,000 rupees in each of these funds. You do have the bandwidth to add one more fund in each of these categories. You can split your 10,000 in each of these categories into one other fund so that you'll get a diversification within that segment of the market. For example, you can add Franklin India Blue Chip for the large cap category, and you can add BNP Paribas Mid Cap for the mid cap category. So you can have 4 funds with 5,000 rupees each. That'll be a pretty good diversified portfolio.
All right, Kuldeep, hopefully that answers your questions. Let's move on. We've got, I think, Gautam Kumar Singh on the line. So let's find out more details. Hi, Gautam. What's your question?
I want some mutual fund SIP. So which mutual fund SIP is good for him or me?
Okay, so how much are you willing to put in every month?
It's 8 to 10,000.
Okay, and I hope you have a long-term horizon, because that's what all our experts say, that you've got to be in the market for the long term. Don't look at short-term rewards. In fact, I want to, Srikanth, quickly mention some other queries. There are lots of viewers who want some idea on SIPs.
Sure.
In fact, if I run through another email, this one came in from Prakash Sharma. This is an email query. He's from Mumbai. He's 35 years old, and he again wants an idea for an SIP. He's looking at only a 1,000 rupee investment per month. He also goes on to say how to get short-term gains in mutual funds. I'm afraid, Prakash, that's not something we can answer, because the advice is to be in it for the long term. But again, talking about SIPs, which are the ones that you would prefer?
All good equity mutual funds are very good for SIP mode of investing. SIP is just a way of investing, and you select good funds and you invest systematically and you stay invested. That's the easiest and the most tried and true way to building wealth through mutual funds. Going to Gautam's question, he is willing to invest somewhere around 8,000 rupees, right? He can invest. I mean, he has asked, I think, ELSS funds. I mean, I'll give him probably an ELSS fund and a couple of other diversified funds that he can go for, right? He can invest in Axis Long-Term Equity Fund for an ELSS choice, and he can invest in ICICI Pru Focus Blue Chip for a large cap choice, and HDFC Mid Cap Opportunities for a mid cap choice. So 3,000, 2,000 would be a good portfolio for Gautam. And coming to Prakash, who wants to invest 1,000 rupees, we could probably give him.
He's not given us a specific sort of category of the sort of funds that he wants to do. He just said he's happy to do an SIP. What fund should he choose? Yeah,
I'm guessing he's a beginning investor who's just starting out. So I'd probably go with a fund like Tata Balanced Fund. That will be a good, smooth, ramp into the markets for a starting investor. So 1,000 rupees in a Tata Balance Fund would be a pretty good start for
so he gets a bit of a flavor of equity and debt with the Balance Fund.
Exactly.
Okay. All right. We'll take a quick break on that note, but questions and queries continue. All of them will be answered. We'll be right back.